wait till you try this one. Now these are absolutely addicting. They're my little mini caprese pizzas. I serve them at parties and they go super quickly. They're fresh tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, and of course I always put balsamic glaze on them. So you're gonna enjoy this one. So there you go, super easy, super delicious. Make sure you would make some extra for your party because they do disappear pretty fast. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you also subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. If you want another good appetizer that goes really quickly, try this goat cheese appetizer right here. See you next time.